Hello everyone. So this is Boeing's Future of Flight Museum located in Everett City just outside Seattle. Now during my road trip in 2023 starting from Calgary to Seattle to Vancouver and then back home to Calgary, I visited this factory and here I did the full factory tour, which was like you hop on a bus and then the staff of Boeing take you to the factory where they show you how they build the plane, all the assembly line, and some they also showed the newer models and also explained the whole history of the Boeing and how they operate throughout the US. And then after, like, once the tour was done, I came back and then we grabbed our cameras and phone and then started exploring this museum where here I am going inside the module of a space station. Yes, this is a module of a space station. And then this is small robots, like these are just a replica of what and how these robots, like actual robots in the factory work. So here I drew the line and with the different colors, and the robot follows those pattern.